Hello children, today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Okay, now it is the basic. In this we will study how geometry originated and what were the different axioms and postulates of geometry. Okay, now let us do the introduction first. Now word geometry, you might have studied geometry in the earlier standards. Okay, now we will study first of all let us study the basic concept of geometry. Geometry is a Greek word, so it is basically a Greek word, and it is divided in it is made up of two words, that is geo and metrin. Geo means earth and metrin means to measure. So basically, why did geometry originate? The geometry originated in olden times. Why? Because the people needed it for measuring the land. Okay, geometry was studied in various forms in ancient civilization. In olden days also geometry was studied in ancient civilization of Egypt, Babylonia, China, India, Greece. So it is a very old concept. Okay, geometry is very old concept and it was studied in ancient civilization of these places also. Now geometry was also used in the Vedic period for construction of altars and fireplaces in the homes and temples. Okay, so it was used since olden time, that is from Vedic period, for performing Vedic rites. Okay, now altars were made in different shapes, geometrical shapes like squares, rectangles, circles, triangles, and these different geometrical shapes. Okay, so what does this indicate? That geometry has been used since very long time. Okay, now you might have seen Shri Yantra. Shri Yantra, it is made up of 9 interwoven isosceles triangle. Now what is an isosceles triangle? You might be knowing the triangle in which two sides are equal, so that is isosceles triangle. Now this Shri Yantra, it is made up of 9 isosceles triangle which are interwoven with each other. Okay, the Greek mathematician, now you might have heard about the great Greek mathematician, that is Thales. Now this Greek mathematician is given the credit of inventing the first known proof. The first known proof was given by Greek mathematician Thales. Now what was this proof? A circle is bisected by its diameter. What does this mean? Suppose you are given a circle and if you draw a diameter, okay, so this diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Bisect means it divides it into two equal parts. So this was the first proof that was known, and it was given by a geometrician, Greek mathematician, that is Thales. Okay, now he was who was the most famous student of Thales? So Pythagoras was the most famous pupil of Thales. Euclid was a teacher in Alexandria, okay, Egypt, who collected, now at that time, whatever geometrical proofs and all the things and concepts that were known at that time, he collected all these concepts and arranged them in a famous book called Elements. So what work did Euclid do? He collected all the geometrical facts that were known at that time and put them together in a book known as Elements. So, and these elements were, this book was divided, these elements means that this book was divided into 13 chapters. Okay, and 13 chapters each called book. So this was a basic concept about geometry. Now next time we will do about what do you mean by axioms and postulates. Now from these main points I have written, and you can copy down these points. These points may be asked in objectives. Okay.